Hey guys, it's Katherine here again and welcome to my channel. I am a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, I really do appreciate you. You're the reason why I am here again shooting another video. Thank you so much for your support on my previous video. So today's video is going to be the 10-minute makeup challenge. Usually I do my makeup in an hour or an hour 30 minutes. You guys. So attempting to do a full face of makeup in 10 minutes, I know it's going to be an epic fail, but I also know it's going to be fun. So if you're in for something fun, then definitely keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Guys, I've gone ahead to prep my skin off camera because this is 10 minutes makeup challenge. Nobody does their makeup under 10 minutes. So yeah, I've prepped my skin, so now we're just going to go ahead to do the makeup video, and I'm going to be using the timer on my phone. So we're starting now. Hey you guys. I've not done my makeup in 10 minutes before. I don't even know. Okay, maybe I should do my foundation first. I don't usually do my foundation first, but in order to be able to do this thing under 10 minutes, I think I'm going to have to do my foundation first. So guys, you guys, it's 10 minutes. Under 10 minutes, I cannot be showing you guys the products that I'm using. Just know that I'm using my foundation, and right now my favorite foundation to use on my skin is my Maybelline foundation. So yeah. Who came up with this challenge, by the way? Hey God, oh. I don't know how we would do my makeup under 10 minutes. You guys, God. Oh my gosh. Who came up with this challenge? Okay. We're getting somewhere. Not bad. So I'm going to blend this in with my beauty sponge, just so it sits right, the foundation sits right into the skin. This is what we're doing now. Okay, are we going to be able to highlight our face? I don't think so. Let's try. So I'm going to be highlighting my face just a bit with my Early Girl concealer. In fact, why am I telling you guys what I'm doing? 10 minutes. I don't have time to be doing that. Okay. Oh my God, you guys, this is so hard. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So guys, I'm blending it in with my beauty sponge. Blending. I think I'll just set my face in my setting spray. I'm setting my face with my RCMA setting powder. I like this setting powder because it doesn't have like color to it, so that's why I like using it. I saw some people do this challenge and they even had eyeshadow on. That's not me, guys. If you're expecting me to apply eyeshadow, I'm not doing that though. I'm not doing that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my powder all over my face. The powder that I'm using is the Milani powder in, here you go, should I be telling you guys, in warm 109 warm. So just applying that all over my face. You guys, should I don't even know if I should. I don't know if I should do my eyebrow at this point. My eyebrow takes the most time when I'm doing my makeup. So I think I'll just use my eyebrow gel, because unlike some people, God has given me natural brows, at least to an extent. I have hair on my brows. I have eyebrow hair, so that's something to be grateful for. Okay, so I think I should just apply my mascara. Let me apply my mascara. You guys, I'm trying to become I'm forming cool, calm and collected. Hey, my God. Okay, let's just put a bit of glue. Okay, even if we don't have complete makeup on, at least we can glue a bit now. Okay, what to do? Okay. You guys, what to do? Oh my God. Okay. I applied so much glue. So let's blend it out with a beauty sponge. Blend. You guys, okay, I still have a bit of time. Okay. Oh my god, I cannot apply anything on my lips, so I'm just going to be using my Nivea lip balm. Blend this highlights. Wow, we want to glow at all. Okay. You guys, so I beg. Yes. So you guys, that's the end of this challenge. I hope you find it fun, because I can't even believe that I can do this, all of this on my face, do my foundation, put at least something, no matter how small it is, on my brows, and lip balm, and at least I can go out like this. So I think I can go out like this. It's not bad. It's not bad. I did good. You guys, rate me. I'm rating myself I rate myself a 5/10. This is not bad because I can actually go out like this. So I want you guys to rate me in the comment section. What do you think is my score? What do you think? Did I do good? Did I do well in this challenge? Have you seen better? Have you seen worse? Let me know in the comment section below. So we've come to the end of this video, the 10 minutes makeup challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Don't be stingy. Share with your friends, your family. This is a fun challenge, you know, so just share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.